Now, in this subject, I'm going to talk about adding the domain to your mailing boss, okay? Adding another domain to your mailing boss. So you will simply go to mailing boss, you will go to domains, and you will click create new. And here you're going to add the domain that this domain from GoDaddy online survey profits.us, then go to mailing boss and then set this up, click save changes, and then you're going to add this domain key, copy, go to your advanced zone editor. Again, let's go back, click email, and you will simply scroll down to your advanced zone editor, and you will select the domain from here, online survey profits.us, then go to mailing boss. So this is the txt record, and add this as a txt record. Then again, the name would be okay, emboss domain key. This would be the name. This would be the name. The TTL would be
1800,
right?
or
The TTL would be 3600, and the TXT data. Go back. Let's select the TXT data. TXT data. Let's go to Builderall. Let's select TXT data. Let's click add record. Then again, go to mailing boss. Then the next thing is we need to add the C name. Control C. Go to mailing boss and add the C name here. The name would be mboss. The TTL would be 3600. The C name, go to mailing boss, and this would be the C name. Copy, go here, select the C name, remove the dot, and this would be the C name. And let's go back. The SPF for best delivery rates, the SPF record. So we're going to select this until here. Copy this, go back in TXT, and I'm going to type SPF. SPF is already here, right? I'm going to click edit. I'm going to write here plus and let's say okay, plus include okay, so plus include, then semicolon equals to V, then semicolon plus include semicolon V is equal to SPF1. Okay, I'm going to click add record. Plus include, so plus include semicolon V is equal to SPF1, include mailing box. And then this has been finally added. Then let's go back to mailing boss again. And you should also consider using DMARC to configure DMARC in your domain. Use the circuit in your DNS. So let's add DMark as well in TXT. So let's go back to here, and this would go in as a TXT record. So let's add
Scening.
TXT. Click here, TTL. I'll keep it to 3600. The TXT data. Let's go to mailing boss. And let's select this data. Copy. Paste it here. Click add record. And then I will simply go to mailing boss. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so finally the TXT records have been saved. I'll click verify DNS records. Verify DNS. Boom, your domain has been successfully verified. See, this is how fast it is. There was something, the only challenge was your GoDaddy domains were not connected with Hostgator. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yep. So it took me a whole day to figure that out.
Yeah.
But pretty much let's go to
well, everything is working.
let's go to domains again. Now you would be able to send emails via any of the domains like this one or this one, right? So let's click enable SSL. Okay, and the next thing that you're going to do is you need to create an email for this onlinesurveyprofits.us. So you're going to go back to your Hostgator, okay, and you need to you need to create an email, okay, add email.
Okay.
Right, email accounts, go here, right, and then select onlinesurveyprofits.us and say team at onlinesurveyprofits.us. Now please quickly create a password here. Okay, please create again. Yep, done. Make sure you do not forget this password, and let's scroll down and let's simply create another email. Let's click create account, create account. There you go, the email has been created. And let's simply go to mailing boss. Let's go to, okay, let's copy this email first. Let's copy this email, team,
Copy.
copy, and let's go to mailing boss, and let's go to sender emails, sender email, and I'll click create new, and I'll add the email here, and sender name online survey, online survey profits, okay, and click save changes. All right, and pretty much team at onlinesurveyprofits.us, and it will say it has sent an email. Now you will go to, you will simply go here, and you're going to select, you're going to click more, and you're going to go to access webmail from here, and you're going to select this as default, go to round cube, and the email should be in there. There's the email, right? And then you will verify this email, Your sender verification is now
Congratulations.
complete. Mailing boss, and I'll just refresh this. And your email
Yes.
has been verified successfully. Okay, now this is where we finish the subject on adding the domain. So your 2 domains and 2 emails are added. So congratulations.
When you are using